subway track. I can't go for that. Yeah, I can't go for that. New York, just like I always pictured it. Do the work, do the work. Park. This park is famous. It's very famous. I once shot Jesus Christ Superstar in here with a guy named Milos Forman. I'm a fucking name dropper, but I'm drunk too. And so that's why I'm extra name dropping today. But it's also true. That's Tompkins Square Park. I'm glad there ain't no people around because they may call the police or call the ambulance. And these people have to put up with me. And look, the police are already there. Why didn't they stop my ass? New York has a million comedy clubs. My goodness, everywhere. Sorry, Lisa, I'm on the corner. That part of it is still here, A Street, but our favorite corner is gone. Oh, it looks like Stomp is gone too. Hamlet is there. Okay, what is still here? Nothing's still here. Anyhow, good walking down memory lane.